King of the Road here, back at you with a new video. Today, we're going to draw Vault Boy. Start off, we will start near top center of the page, and we're going to draw his nose first. Now his nose is a bit pointy looking. Like that. Alright, now on the left, we're going to draw his eye. Then on the right, we're going to draw his upper eye. Two simple circles. Just like that. Okay. We're going to draw his mouth next. It's going to look like a simple smile. Alright. Then we're going to draw these lines right here on the sides of his mouth. We're going to draw another line and make his mouth smile fully. Alright. Underneath his mouth, we're going to draw a line for his lip. Okay. Now, let's go up here and give him some eyebrows. And draw two simple lines like this. Make sure they're not too big. Okay. We're going to start drawing the shape of his head, starting with the right side. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to draw a curve that goes up. Sort of like that. Okay. We're going to go a bit lower to draw the other side of his head. So it's going to start off right here. And then we're going to go up. And a nice curve that kind of comes in close in like this. Okay, we're going to come back over here and draw his ear. And then we're going to draw his head coming up around on the right side. Like this. Not too much though, because we need to do his hair. So, starting with the hair on this side, we're going to draw a little bump like this. And then if you drew the head and it comes up too high, it's fine, you can erase it a bit, just like that. Because his hair is wavy, it comes down right here. Alright, we're going to do a simple wavy line like this. And then just a curve like that. And then you close it off with a line going this way. Then you're going to draw lines on the side right here. Come down. Alright. Then we're going to do curves that go on the top of his hair. Again, it's just simple, wavy lines. Just like that. Now we got his head all drawn out. We're going to start going down now. Okay, you're going to draw his neck and collar area. starting like this, you're gonna draw a curved line like this. And then I'm gonna start drawing his arms. So one arm goes out like this. And then the other arm, starting right here, goes out like this. Okay. We're gonna draw the sleeve for his right arm. Like that. That's the first part. And then we're gonna make it come in like this. Not too far though, so we can draw his torso. And his sleeve has a cuff on it. So we're gonna go like this and draw a line right there that comes in and closes right there. Okay, we're gonna draw his hand right here. So we're gonna start off with a small curve like this. And then another small curve right here. This one over here comes in and another curve just fell. And then we're gonna draw his fingers next, which are just simple like ovals. Okay, then we're gonna draw his torso, and it comes down over here like this. And it goes like that on his pants sleeve. And his leg comes up and around right here. And his other leg comes up. And we make the other pants sleeve. And this comes up and it sort of curves into the body like that, curving this way. So I'm gonna go like this. I made the pants sleeve a little too wide, so if you want to adjust it, it's completely fine. Alright, we're gonna finish this arm right here, but we're not gonna go all the way because we need room to make his hand. So we're gonna make a line right here, the end with the sleeve on his left arm. Then we're gonna make another curve right here to show where his forearm is. Okay, I'm gonna draw a curve right here for his hand. And then you're going to draw his fingers like this. Okay. Now that we have his body drawn out, we can draw the details of his suit. So you're going to draw a curved line, almost like you're making a circle. And then you're going to draw another curved line. But you're not going to fill this in, because you need to draw lines going down. Then you're going to stop like almost halfway down, and then you're going to make more curved lines like this, and then you're going to make a very curved line going around. Just like that. Next, we're going to draw his shoes. Draw something like this. It's gonna come down. Then you're just gonna go out a little bit. You're gonna stop. Make it a little pointy and then curved like that. Then you're gonna come over here, and then you're gonna make a curve. You're gonna stop. It's gonna be pointy and kind of curved, sort of like a seed. Just like that. And there you go. That's how you draw a Vault Boy. Next, I'm going to color the drawing, and I'm going to skip to the end. Here it is, fully colored. Now all we got to do is sign it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want to see me draw next.